everybody. Welcome to the AKA Science Detective Agency. These are the critter cases. Before we dive in, I wanted to give you a handful of tips that'll help your mystery solving go as smoothly as possible. Number 1. Nothing from the AKA Science kit should ever go into anyone's mouth, nose, eyes, or ears. Mystery substances can be harmful, and even familiar substances can be contaminated. If a student ingests a non-food product, call Poison Control at 1-800-222-1222, 911, or alert your site manager. Number 2, make sure that the take-home supply advisory gets home to your students' adults so that they can anticipate what exciting and potentially messy supplies may be coming home. Number 3, the AKA Science website, akascience.org, has copies of worksheets, curriculum, teaching resources, and parent-guardian forms, so go ahead and check out the website if you needed any of those resources. Number 4, use the newsprint. It is helpful for covering desks or laying flat on floors to catch any spills. It might also be in the form of a booklet or a pamphlet, so simply pull them apart to use. Number 5, encourage your students to plan, record, and reflect on all of their observations and activities. Number 6, you may not have time to do everything in the curriculum, and that's okay. It's up to you which activities to shorten, lengthen, or skip altogether. Number 7, throughout the curriculum, materials will be in bold when it's time to pass them out, and all vocab words for any unit will be underlined. Number 8, a black star at the beginning of an activity means the lesson is associated with a post-survey question. We encourage you to emphasize the specific word or phrase during the lesson, and we'll talk more about the post-surveys later. And finally, number 9, in science, making mistakes is part of the process. If a student is feeling discouraged because an experiment didn't work, remind them that many of history's greatest scientific discoveries happened on accident, and mistakes are all part of learning. If you have any more questions about the curriculum or anything in general we can help you out with, check out our website, like I mentioned earlier, akascience.org. And now, let's dive into our first case.